The next one we should do should be division. But before we do division, let us learn conversion. Now we can do direct division. So that will be for WAEC level. Conversion. So now, if it is division that you want to use long division, we can do it for WAEC. But it is advisable, because of the method I'll be using here, to be using conversions to do division, in case if you have any question on it. So but let's start conversions first, then we'll go back to division. So now, from conversion, we are starting with conversion from a number in one base to another number in base 10. So take note, conversion of a number in one base to another number in base 10. That is the simplest conversion so far. Example, convert 1 to base 3 to base 10. So now, to convert this to base 10 is very easy. See the method, you pick this one, that means I'm doing 1 to base 3 to base 10. So now take the first number, multiply by the base. That will be like 1 times 3. That will be 1 times 3 plus, take the second number, multiply by the base. That will be 2 times 3. Again, take the first number, multiply by the base. That is 1 times 3. Take the second number, multiply by the base. That is 2 times 3. So that is how you'll be doing for conversion from one base to base 10. So now start numbering from the back like this: 0, 1. Start from the back the same way I start, like 0, 1. So now this will be what? 1 times 3. Why? Because 3 raised to power 1 is 3, plus 2 times 1. So why 1? Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Now this will be 1 times 3, 3, plus 2 times 1, 2. So this will be 5 base 10. That means if you convert 1 to base 3 to base 10, is 5 base 10. So that is how we can convert from one base to base 10. Hope is clear. Now, but instead of doing this, to save time more in JAM, to look at this approach. So I want to change 1 to base 3 to base 10. Now see my approach here. The first number here is what? 1. So now this is the concept. You write the first number is 1. Then 1 plus 2 will give you that 1 times 3. That is what we did here. But now 1 times 3 is what? 3. Then plus the next number 2. That will give you 5. Let's say it again. I can always rewind the video. Now again, if the first number times the base, that is 1 times 3, will give you 3. Then plus the next number 2. So that will be 5. So you can do it offhand now. So let's go again. 1 times 3, 3, plus the next number, that will be 5. That means with this method, you may not write anything like this and you will convert to base 10. So it's easier and it's faster in JAM level. So let's move on to another example. So let's say I have convert 1, 2, 3 base 4 to base 10. So to convert 1, 2, 3 base 4 to base 10, I'll say what? First it will be 1 times 4. So that will be 1 times 4 plus again 2 times 4. So I'll pick all these numbers one by one times 4. So now 1 times 4, meaning the base. So 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 3 times 4. Then start numbering from the back. So this will be, start numbering from the back, 0, 1, 2. So after that, then do it one by one. This will be 1 times 16. Why 16? Because 4 raised to power 2 is 4 times 4. 4 raised to power 2 means 4 in 2 places. That is 4 times 4. That will be 16. So that's how you do that. So plus 2 times 4, because 4 raised to power 1 is 4. Then plus 3 times 1, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this will be 1 times 16, 16 plus 2 times 4, 8 plus 3 times 1, 3. So we are doing it one by one now. So now add everything. 16 plus 8, that will be 24. 24 plus 3, that is 27 base 10. So that is how you can change a number from one base to base 10. Now using the other approach is 1, 2, 3 base 4 to base 10. So the first thing is, I'll say 1 times 4, that will be 4. Then plus the next number 2, that will give me 6. Again, the first thing you say 1 times 4, 4. Then plus the next number, that will be 6. So that's not the end. So until you did not have any number again before you stop. Okay, let's go. 1 times 4, 4. Plus the next number 2, that will be what? 6. Now that 6 you got again times 4, that will be 24. Then plus the next number again, that will be plus 3, that is 27 base 10. Do you see? Same. So now let's go again. So 1, 2, 3 base 4. Again 1 times 4, 4 plus the next number 6. That 6 again times 4, 24 plus the next number 27. So one more time. 1 times 4, 4 plus the next number 6. That 6 again times 4, 24 plus the next number 27. That means with this you may not write anything, you just convert straight to base 10. Okay, let's move on. So let's say we have convert 2, 1, 3 base 5 to base 10. The first thing is what? Normal method. So I'll say 2 times 5 plus 1 times 5 plus 3 times 5. So this will be 0, 1, 2. So as usual. So now this will be 2 times 25. Why 25? Because 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 1 times 5. Then plus 3 times 1. Because any trace per 0 is 1. 2 times 25, that is 50. 1 times 5, that is 5. 3 times 1, that's 3. So everything if you add, you get 58 base 10. Now let's use the other method. 2, 1, 3 base 5. Now the first thing is what? I'll say this one times this. 2 times 5, that is 10. Plus the next number, that is 11. 11 times 5 again, that is 55. Plus the next number, that is 58 base 10. So let's move on. So anyone that is convenient you can use, but that one is very fast for jam level. So now let's say We have convert 11011 base 2 to base 10. Our normal step is what? I'll say 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Don't forget, pick all the numbers 1 by 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus another 1 times 2. So each number here times 2. That's what we did. Now start numbering from the back. This will be 0. So start numbering now. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now do it one by one. Now this will be 1 times 16, because 2 raised to power 4 means 2 raised to power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 in 4 places, that is 16. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 16, plus 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4. Remember, 2 square is 4, 2 raised to power 3 is 8, plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So this will be 1 times 16, 16 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. So 16 plus 8, that is 24. 24 plus 2, 26 plus 1, 27 base 10. Now let's use the other method. 11011 base 2. So this will be what? 1 times 2, that will be 2, plus the next number, that will be 3. That 3 again times 2, that is 6, plus the next number, that is still 6. That 6 again times 2, that is 12, plus the next number, that is 13. That 13 times 2, that is 26, plus the next number, that is 27. So that means this is 27 base 10. Let's do it again. We have 11011 base 2. Again, 1 times 2, 2, plus the next number, 3. That 3, so again 1 times 2, 2. 1 times 2, 2, plus the next number, no, the next number is 1, 3. So let's go again. 1 times 2, 2, plus the next number, 3. That 3 we got again times 2, 6, plus the next number, still 6. That 6 we get again times 2, 12, plus the next number, 13. That 13 you got again times 2, 26, plus the next number, that is 27 base 10. So that means the first number times the base plus the next number. Any result you get times the base again plus the next number. So follow the pattern. So that's how we do the base 10 in short form, which will help us later in solving other questions. Again, convert 34 base 7 to base 10. So now the first thing is a 3 times 7 plus 4 times 7, that will be 0, 1. So this is 3 times 7 plus 4 times 1. So 3 times 7, 21, plus 4 times 1, 4. So that will be 25 base 10. Now the other method, 3, 4 base 7. So I'll say 3 times 7, 21, then plus 4. That will be 25 base 10. Okay, so study all the examples, then we can try this one. Convert the following to base 10. Convert everything here to base 10. Base 2 to base 10. 251 base 6 to base 10. Number 3, 1 1 to base 3 to base 10. So try all this conversion